Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? JeffFallout here, back at it again with another video. So for today's video, we're going to be learning how to style this shoe right here, the Nike Vapormax Flyknit. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to wear this shoe and like the types of clothes that you can wear with it, so I decided to make a video for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you a few different kinds of outfits that you can wear with this shoe, and yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so for our first outfit we have on a olive green cotton on shirt, and then we have some Nike joggers, black, and then we have the Vapormaxes. And then for our second outfit, we have on the same green olive cotton on shirts, but this time we have on some distressed ripped blue jeans from H&M. And then for outfit number 3, we have a black Henley short sleeve shirt, as well as the light blue distressed ripped jeans from H&M. And then for our final outfit, we have a white t-shirt, a maroon sweater, a blue jean jacket, and a pair of black distressed jeans from H&M. So if you want to look good while wearing Vapormaxes, you're going to have to follow a few tips. First of all, you're going to have to start wearing more slimmer fitted jeans if you don't already. I mean, honestly, the bigger, baggier jeans are not going to work with this shoe. So if that's all you have, this is probably not the shoe for you. You may also want to try cuffing your pants also. I'll leave a tutorial down below in the description on a video that I made previously. And you may also want to try wearing no-show socks. In all the outfits, I was wearing no-show socks. I think it helps to make the shoe pop a little more if you like have a little bit of skin showing above the ankles. But honestly, that's just my personal preference, and it's really up to you guys to decide how you want to wear the shoe. Alright guys, you made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely comment and like down below. Also share this video with your friends, you know, help your boy out. And definitely subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.